Stop guessing. Sizing a gas line for a house correctly is critical for safety and performance, and it's simpler than you think. Incorrect gas line sizing can lead to appliances not functioning efficiently, or worse, create serious safety hazards. Traditionally, plumbers spend ages fumbling through complex charts or doing tedious manual calculations. But with plumbcalc, you can ditch the guesswork and get accurate, code-compliant gas line sizes instantly. First, input the total BTU load of all appliances like your furnace, water heater, and stove. Next, simply enter the longest pipe run length and your available gas pressure. plumbcalc processes these inputs in real time, instantly delivering the precise pipe diameter needed for your entire system. This ensures every installation is perfectly sized, guaranteeing maximum efficiency and full compliance with local codes. Whether it's a single appliance or a whole house manifold, plumbcalc handles it all with ease, no matter the complexity. Imagine the time saved. Finish jobs faster, move to the next project sooner, and boost your daily productivity. Empower yourself with confidence on every job. Never second guess a gas line size again. Size gas lines the smart, fast way today. Visit plumbcalc.pro to start your free trial now.